Hello, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I'm posting lately, but busy. Today, I'm going to teach you how to solder with a Dremel butane soldering torch. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure your gun, your thing is full. Okay, that's full. No, I don't know if it's full, but, you know. Next thing you want to do is find some electrical solder. I found this laying around my house. You can either use this, or I'm going to use some of my old stuff that I have. I have some old stuff right here I'm going to use. So, first thing you want to do, before you even touch the wire, you want to get your solder ready to use, ready to go. First thing you want to do is get this ready to go. Yeah, I got enough here. Okay, so that's ready. Next thing you want to do is turn it on. See, hear that? It's on. Now, what you want to do, put this part right here against that, against your solder, against the joint you're soldering. It's a lot easier when you're using helping hands. I put some heat shrink on these tabs just to protect this wire. Heat shrink these later on, not today. Once it gets hot, this is when it start melting. See, watch. See, it's not hot yet. This ain't hot yet. See, not hot yet. Sometimes it can take a few minutes to get super hot. When soldering, it's harder to do thicker wire. I normally use thin wire when I'm practicing, but now I'm showing you a middle grade wire. Still not hot enough. Still not hot enough. Yeah, okay, it's hot. Watch, you look. Not hot. Okay, there we go. So, go. Yeah, it takes a minute. See that? See that? And that's all you do. You feed your solder into the wire. That's all you do. The smoke is normal. The smoke is normal. Don't worry, the smoke is normal. With it being thicker wire, I am just making sure the joint has a nice amount of solder. Whew. Let it cool down. Check it. Get in here. Make sure it's nice amount. Take it off, make sure. Okay. Wipe your gun off as best you can. Okay. Take the camera. So yeah. Yeah, it's still hot. Okay, see how it's not. I want to put this down, put that there. I'm gonna go, oh sheesh. Okay. I'm gonna do this a bit different. I usually don't do it this way. But since I'm doing a video, I'm gonna try some new for you guys. You guys don't watch this experiment. Yeah, that will work. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna try something else in the next video. You should get a better idea what I'm doing wrong. Stay tuned for the next video. But this is a video on how to solder a joint. Yeah. Okay, bye.